It is 4:15 and you are watching the 4 on 5. Thank you so much. One of the best things about living here along the Gulf Coast is being so close to the beach, right? And prime beach season will be here very soon. So this week is Rip Current Awareness Week. Meteorologist Caroline Carruthers just got back from Gulf Shores. I'm jealous, by the way.
It was gorgeous today.
I know.
So beautiful.
Perfect beach weather. And Caroline, I understand rip currents are the #1 weather-related killer at the beach along the northern Gulf Coast.
Yes, so since 2002, rip currents have actually killed 172 people. So that's more than tornado, flooding, lightning, and tropical fatalities combined. So it's definitely the most fatal weather-related incident, as you said, Cherish. And I spoke with a beach safety chief in Gulf Shores today, and he said that they had 70 rip current rescues just last year. And rip currents account for 80% of all of their rescues on the beach.
Listen to that water. Oh.
I know. Isn't it so peaceful?
It is. I just want to listen to it and
it
stop
was lovely.
talking.
It was lovely.
So what are beach safety officers and lifeguards doing to get the word out?
Well, I don't think it's a secret. We have a lot of tourists here. We're a prime vacation spot, which is why we're lucky to live here.
But it's beautiful. Everybody wants to come here.
Exactly. Well, lifeguards actually hand out these pamphlets. They have lots of information. They have the beach flag warning system. They have sun and heat safety. They have rip current safety information. And they hand this out every day to people on the beaches. They talk to people on the beaches about rip currents and how to avoid them. And there's also signs everywhere along the beaches about the flag system as well as rip current safety.
We've all seen the flags flying. I'm sure you have, but it is nice to have a refresher course. There are 4 flags that fly over Gulf Shores and Orange beaches, all bringing different warnings, correct, Caroline?
Yes. So it starts at yellow, and yellow means a moderate risk or moderate surf, moderate currents. There's red, which means high surf, high currents. And then there is double red, which means the water's closed to the public. And then there's purple, which means dangerous marine life.
Okay, but here's the thing. You've probably been to several beaches where you've seen green flags flying, meaning low hazard, calm conditions. No green flags in Orange Beach or Gulf Shores.
No green flags. And I did ask this because actually when I moved here, I mean, I was in 3rd grade, so it was a long time ago, but they had green flags. So I asked that today. I said, why do we not have green flags anymore? He said, well, in Gulf Shores, they took the green flags away because after talking with beachgoers, they found that they view green flags like a stoplight. So green means go and no hazard at all. And he said in reality, there's always a hazard. So, and that's a misconception because, you know, day like today, we had gorgeous blue skies, clear skies. The water looked pretty calm.
Still, there could be rip currents.
Right, there could be rip currents. And, you know, we've had high risk for rip currents on days where it's been just gorgeous like today. So they wanted to get rid of that misconception.
So if you see no flag or green, that's the same meaning depending where you are.
Right, exactly.
Okay. Be on the lookout for more rip current safety information here on WKRG, and also be sure to watch your local beach's social media pages and the National Weather Service. And Caroline will have even more on rip current safety on WKRG News 5 at 6.